Hello, welcome back to my subscribers and welcome any visitors. This video is suggested for new beardsmen, and what I'm going to be going over is just basic information for any of my viewers that are new to growing a beard um, and don't really know um, what to do. So I think the basic things that you need are a good beard wash, which Beard Octane Lather Conditioning Wash is a great wash. I use it and I recommend it. It is an affiliate of mine, but that's not the only reason why I'm offering this. It's just a really good wash. It really works, and I suggest, in my opinion, to look into getting it. There's a link in my YouTube description, and this is the conditioner. You could the wash is basically an everyday for me. I do it every day. There might be times where I skip a day or something, but generally it's every day. And the conditioner, I probably do like once or twice a week. And after that, after you clean up and you use it, you want to put in some beard oil. This is a particular beard oil that I like from Beard Octane. It's fir tree. It's basically like a pine tree. It's really good. It goes. You put it through your beard, right down to your skin, and yeah, I'll just show you. You just put it in right down to your skin. It is for the hairs too, but mainly it's for your skin. All your hairs kind of take up your oils in your skin, and you're replenishing them by using the beard oil. So that's why people that have a beard may go through a dryness in their hairs, and it really helps to nourish that skin under your beard, and also to put a little bit in the beard hairs to make it a little bit pleasing for yourself and for others if you have the opportunity. In my opinion, Beard Octane is a good product. There's a lot of other products out there, but these are the products that I use and that I recommend. In my opinion, they're great. Y'all have a good day and peace.